Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then this is Rimi. Today I'm back with another makeup tutorial for you guys, and I'm doing a glam date night look for you guys. This is the look that I created for today's look, and I used my current favorite eyeshadow palette, the Dose of Colors Friendcation palette. The main lid color you're seeing is this dark bluish navy color right here. I find this color so flattering for brown skin tone, so I wanted to create a look with that. And since it's a date night, I wanted to pair it with a dark red lips, so that's what I did. Without any more talking, I guess let's jump into the tutorial. So first, I'm priming my face using a hydrating primer from Maybelline Master Prime. It's their Hydrate and Smooth Primer. For my eyeshadow base, I'm taking LA Girl Pro Concealer in color yellow. I'm applying it all over my eyelid and blending it with a JUNO sponge. Then I'm taking the Dose of Colors Friendcation palette and I'm picking up this light brown color and applying it on my crease. I'm just using a circular and tapping motion to apply the color in my crease and slowly blending it. I dipped in my brush in the pan multiple times to build up the intensity. So I'm slowly building up the intensity and blending it out to give it a smooth look. Now I'm taking this beautiful warm brown color from the palette and applying it right on the crease with the same brush as well. I'm building up this color to give a much warmth and intensity to the crease as I'm going into a cooler tone color later on. So I wanted to bring a little bit more warmth in the crease. And as you can see, I'm slowly just using small strokes, blending the color out with the lighter brown color I placed earlier. Now I'm picking up the mauve pink color from the palette and placing it a little bit lower than the crease. I love this combination of the mauve pink with the orangey brown color. I used a patting motion to intensify the color. This way the intensity of the colors are much better. Now I'm taking the chocolate brown color from the palette to deepen my outer corner. Again, I'm using a mixture of patting and circular motion to apply the color. This way the colors blend together really nicely. Then I'm going over with a concealer to clean up the inner corner of the eyelid so that the glitter color I'm going to place on top of it is going to look much better. And on top of the concealer, I placed a glitter glue from NYX using a flat synthetic brush. And on top of that, I'm going with the star of the show is this navy glittery color. It's so unique. I have nothing like this in my collection beside this one. And I love this color and how it looks on brown skin tone. And I'm just using a patting motion and I'm layering and layering to give it a more glittery, warm, golden look. I'm picking up this champagne color from the palette and applying a little bit on top of the blue color. I didn't pick up too much of this color because I wanted the blue to be the main color. Now moving on to foundation, I'm applying L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. This is my new favorite foundation. And I'm applying it with a JUNO sponge. And for my concealer, I'm taking LA Girl Pro Concealer in color yellow and pure beige. I find a combination of these two concealers are really flattering for my under eye. It does a little bit color correcting and at the same time brightens my under eye up as well. And then I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder to set under my eyes and also around my mouth. To contour my face, I'm taking my NYX contouring palette and I'm just picking up those two colors to contour my face. I wanted to do a little bit heavy contouring since I'm going out for a date night. I wanted this look to be very sexy and chiseled out, and then I'm just warming up my forehead as well. I wanted a little bit heavy-handed this time. Like I said, I wanted this look to be very dramatic. I'm also contouring my nose with the two colors. I didn't go too heavy on my nose contouring, just lightly went over it. And then as usual, I like to put some contouring under my chin as well, just to give it a more defined look. Now I'm going in with my Fit Me powder again to kind of clean up the edge here. And then I'm also softening it up with the Beauty Blender and my brush. For my blush, I'm taking Milani Rose Trio palette and I'm taking this middle color and applying it on the apples of my cheek. I also wanted my blush to be a little bit more intensified as well, so I took my time to layer the blush. For my highlighter, I'm taking this Wet n Wild liquid highlighter, which is one of my favorite steps for highlighting. I like to place this highlighter first before I go in with my powder highlighter, and then on top of that I'm going with Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold and applying it on the high points of my cheek. I'm also going to use this color to highlight my nose and my cupid's bow of my lips and my forehead, chin, and all of the usual places I like to highlight. Now I'm just giving my lashes a curl before I apply mascara. For my mascara, I'm using my favorite Essence Lash Princess mascara, applying a few coats of it on my top and bottom lashes. And then I'm going in with the light brown color from the palette for my lower lash line. I'm kind of mimicking what I did on top of my eyelid, and then I'm going in with the warm brown color following by the mauvey pink color, and I will just leave it at that for my lower lash line. Now for my inner corner highlights, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I wasn't really happy with the intensity of the highlighter with this eye look, so I took my Milani Soft and Sultry palette and I picked up the color Diamonds and Pearls. I was still not happy with it, so I went with the Milani Bold Obsession palette and picked up the color Sands of Time. This is a beautiful pinky shimmery color, and this was perfect for the inner corner highlight. I was so happy with it. I used the same color to highlight my brow bones, and this worked perfectly with this eye look. Now I'm just going in with the fluffy brush I used earlier just to clean out the edges and blend a little bit more, and then I'm applying the brown color one more time just to give it a more smoother look. It was looking a little patchy. For my lips, I'm going in with this NYX lip liner in color Jakarta and the NYX Soft Matte Lips in color Helsinki. I wanted this lipstick color to look a little bit more orangey brown, so I went on top of that with the color Bottoms Off from NYX Laundry Matte Lips. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys liked this look. I loved this look and I love how everything turned out. For the first time ever, I skipped eyeliner and did lashes. I was really nervous because I always like to use the eyeliner kind of to hide the lash band, and if I make any mistakes or if the lashes somehow didn't stick properly, that helps me a lot hide my mistakes. So I was really nervous, but I think at the end of the day it turned out pretty nicely, and I did win and add a little bit of black eyeshadow by the lash band just to kind of hide the glue a little bit, and I think that did the trick. That's it for today, you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button along with the bell button next to it so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not following me on Instagram or Snapchat yet, go ahead, follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. I'll leave all my social media links down below in the description box. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!